Hey everyone, welcome back to Anxiety Art Adventures. I'm thrilled today to be showing you a sneak peek from Enabler's Outpost. This canvas is absolutely stunning. It is stunning. And I am very grateful that Enabler's Outpost asked me to show this to all of you as a sneak peek. And I truly hope that you enjoy this video showing you this gorgeous piece of artwork. So this canvas is supposed to be, the plan is to have this canvas available to all of you tomorrow, Friday, June the 7th at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. And there are going to be two versions of this canvas available. Two versions. There's going to be a cropped version and a full-size version. Okay, so this is Springtime by Indicreates, and I will put a picture up on the screen in a few to show you the original artwork. But this is absolutely stunning. Sorry I had to have my lights on today because there is, it's overcast here today. You guys, I mean, it doesn't get much better than this, right? Look at that. Look at the hair. Oh my gosh. The detail in the face, the flowers, all of the gorgeous, gorgeous colors in this canvas. Like I said, there are going to be two versions available in this canvas. There's going to be, this is the full version. This is a 50 by 100 centimeter square drill kit. These are going to be offered in square drills. And there's going to be this full version and then a cropped version of just her face. Oh my gosh, y'all. I can't with this. Okay, so we'll get into this in just a minute, the drills and the stuffs. Okay, so with every Enabler's Outpost canvas, this is a poured glue canvas, and you are going to have a impeccable drill field. We're going to look at that in a minute. On the left side of the canvas, you have a legend, a key code legend. The bottom left gives you the artist's name, Indicreates, as well as the title, Springtime. On the right side, you will also have another key code legend, which is super nice because that way, whichever side, you know, you're working on the canvas, you always can refer back to your legend. Okay, so the edges are scalloped. You see that? Scalloped edges, so you're not going to have any fraying. The back of the canvas is, it's soft. It's not too soft, but it's a softer canvas on the back. Oh my gosh. And if I'm correct, and I'm sure Enabler's Outpost will let me know down in the comments below, I'm pretty sure that there's going to be hand charting in this specific canvas. So yeah. Okay, so we are going to look at what comes with it. Look at this. Okay, so you're going to get basically two inventory sheets. You're going to get a paper sheet as well as a sticker sheet. Now, the sticker sheet is not pre-cut, but you know what? That's okay, because all of you crafty crafters out there, you guys can cut these sticker sheets yourself and put them on your containers, on the bags, however you want to do it. But the one thing I really appreciate about these sheets are the size of, you know, the symbols and that you can read it. People like me that have bad eyesight, I appreciate this. I appreciate this. So this canvas has 66 colors and it has 6 shimmer drills. 6 shimmer drills. Okay, so the good thing about this though, getting two, is these you use for your containers, your bags, and then this is your reference sheet. I always use this sheet here. I'll go through all of the bags to make sure that I have each symbol, and I'll check each one of these off. So I appreciate having both sticker sheet and a paper inventory sheet. All right. All right, and here are your drills. Okay, well, before we look at the drills, hold on. We're going to look at the drill field. Let me stand up to do that. All right. Look how clear that drill field is. So clear. So clear. I do appreciate the fact there are no guide circles or outline of a grid. So that's nice. Also, if you notice, the lighter colored symbols have dark lettering, and the darker colored symbols have light lettering. So it's very easy to see. Isn't that nice? Look at her face. Look at that eye. Look at that. Y'all. Look, and then there's a whole huge swatch of color blocking right there. Love it. Love it. So very, very clear drill field. Oh, I can't get over this hair. As soon as I saw this, I was like, yes, please. Okay. Full disclosure, I have opened this kit because I wanted to look at everything first before I did the video. So I have opened this. So these are not packaged as nicely and as pretty as how you are going to get them when you pre-order this canvas. But they are pre-bagged. So they already come in baggies. I enjoy working out of baggies. I know some people do not. However, I do. Okay, so we are going to pull out the 6 shimmer drills. I'm going to show you where those go. Okay. But there are lots of colors in here. Here, let me pull out some of these for you. You've got greens, pinks. Oh, look at that pink. Look at that pink. You've got beautiful blues, purples. Look at this. Look at this. You've got aquas, greens, yellows. Oh my gosh. So many gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Okay. Just going to move that over here to the side. I wanted to show you some of the pretty drills. But yeah, I mean, these are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. Nice quality drills. Okay, you might hear my cat in the background. I apologize. She is being extra today. Okay, so these are your 6 shimmer drills. And on your inventory, the way you can tell the shimmer drills, they start with a Z. So all of these down here, these 6, those are your shimmer drills. Okay, so 61 is a squiggly symbol. All right, so let's see if we can find the squiggly symbol. Okay, so basically, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit for you. Without it looking too crazy. Okay, so you're going to have some through here in this section. And then through here. And then up top, up top up here. And then yeah, let's see. So like right here, you see these squiggly symbols. And right here. So wherever you see bright yellow, it's going to be, you're going to see this shimmer drill color. It's going to be really hard to show you. But I promise, it's a shimmer drill. Okay, and then 62 is a lighter color. 62 is the down triangle color. The down triangle symbol. All right, and that is also going to be, where is that? Oh, okay, it's going to be all throughout here. You see all those down triangles right there in the yellow. And then there's also going to be some right here. And then up top as well, right here. Okay. 63 is E. E. Where is the E? The E is going to be in the dark blue sections. So over here, see this dark blue, dark blue, dark blue, dark blue. Yes. Yes, yes. Awesome. Okay, 64 is B as in boy. Look at now. Look at that. You can see that one really good. That's awesome. I love shimmer drills. Okay, B as in boy. Okay, there are going to be some down here in the flower, in the dark blue of the flower. It looks like down here there's some in the flower, and then of course. Up here, some right here. So basically wherever you see dark blue, there's actually some in her eye, right in the center of her eye. Okay. 65 is that symbol, whatever that is. Okay. That is going to be, oh yes, lots of this. Okay. So you see the pink up here, all this, the dark symbols, all of those outlining this pink. That's going to be amazing. And then right here and right here, above her, all this right here, see all that dark pink? It's going to be up in there. Yes. Oh my gosh. All right. I'm only showing you the left side of the canvas because I can't show you all of it. I'm just giving you an idea of where it's going to be on this side. Okay. 66. This is a 3865. So it's like a creamy white. That is going to be the heart symbol right here. And check this out. That is going to be, there's going to be some of it right here and up here, a little bit right here, and there's one in her eye right there. But the majority of that is going to be this whole section right here. This is all that shimmer drill color. Oh my gosh. All that right there. Bunch of color blocking, which I really, really like. Okay. So yeah, those are your 6 shimmer drills. Just wanted to give you a rough idea of where they're going to go. And like I said, all of these colors, y'all. There's so many beautiful colors in this canvas. I'm actually kind of amazed, and maybe this is just me, but oh, look at that red. Look at that purple. 208. There's a 550. That's 327. And I knew there's a 5. There's a 550. Yes, 550. I'm just amazed that with only 66 colors, you're going to get this much detail. Okay, sorry, crinkle noise. Trying to close up the bag again. Okay. All right. I'm going to put these down here so my cat can play with them. All right. So let me zoom back out so you can see. There we go. All right. Okay. I think I've got almost all of it in. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? Indicreates springtime. Okay, so the plan for this is going to be released tomorrow, Friday, June 7th at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. That was the last I heard from Enabler's Outpost. And it will be available in 2 versions. Like I said, this is the full version, 50 by 100 centimeters. And then there's going to be a cropped version of just her face. So you'll have, options. I am thrilled. I cannot wait to work on this canvas. As soon as I finish the one I'm working on, I really want to work on this one. As much as I told myself I wasn't going to start a new canvas, I am. I definitely am. So, yes. Oh my gosh, y'all. How beautiful is that? Indicreates. Springtime. I'm just thrilled. I do want to say also that shopping with a small business like Enablers Outpost is such a positive experience. For me personally, I've had nothing but just wonderful, wonderful customer service from them. They offer quality products, diamond paintings, and pens. Of course, I will have their description down below. I'll have a link to their website. I will not have a link to this specific canvas because it's not available when you guys are watching this. But I'll have a link to their website so you can go and check them out. But I appreciate the fact that Enablers Outpost, they're always very transparent about their process, about their products, their customer service. For me personally, like I said, has been excellent. And I just really enjoy shopping, with small businesses that offer all of us in the community good experiences and variety with diamond painting. So, and that's not to say you can't buy from the big shops, which I do as well. But the small shops, they have an extra touch that I appreciate. So anyway, I want to thank Enablers Outpost again for sending me this beautiful canvas by Indicreates. I hope all of you get a chance to at least go check out their shop and see what they have to offer. Let me know down in the comments below if you plan to buy this one. Which one would you purchase? Would you purchase the full-size version or would you get a cropped version? Look at those eyes. They're two different color eyes. Isn't that awesome? Oh my gosh. So yes. Okay, I think I've covered everything I need to cover with the canvas, but I'm sure Enablers Outpost can answer any questions you have down in the comments. And yeah, I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will be live on Monday, June the 10th for my birthday. I'm going to be doing a birthday live with some giveaways, so feel free to join us there on Monday. So again, thank you Enablers Outpost for sending this beautiful canvas to me for a sneak peek to show you guys. And I hope all of you have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you again next week.